Right, welcome to my class, everybody. My name is Ramesh. I have 14 plus years of experience as a web developer and a trainer. So, in the last class, we have successfully discussed about what is the project we are going to do, what is the class information and course information. Now, today class, we are going to learn about the Angular related introduction. Okay, everybody, we are going to learn about the Angular related introduction. Okay, right. So, before going to the introduction, I will tell one more time this course related information. So, class timings will be daily 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Same time. Okay, everyone. Right. Class days will be Monday to Friday. What is everybody? Monday to Friday. And then after course duration will be 2 to 3 months. 2 to 3 months. And you will get pre-recorded videos, not this live recorded, but pre-recorded videos. But no need to worry. Same subject, same syllabus. Okay. If anything is changed, any syntax or anything is changed, definitely that videos I will share. I will record and I will share it with you. Okay, everybody, any syntax related changes or anything is there, I will do it for you. Okay, right. And then after, I will give you the example files, whatever I am teaching you, that example files I will give you. In that example files, I will give you the notes. So that notes will be covered topic by topic. Okay, everybody, topic by topic, I will provide the notes. I don't have any PDF files. Clear at everyone? Please respond. Okay, right. So Vishnu, did you yesterday also attended? Respond, Vishnu.
No,
No, today
no,
only.
sir.
Okay,
Sir, I didn't join us. Today only I joined. Yeah.
okay, right.
Today is
One
my
second.
first class.
Yeah, okay, right. So 1 second, Vishnu. Observe the chart, Vishnu, one more time. I have sent you a link. Okay, Vishnu. So please watch that link. Please watch that video after the class, so that whatever I discussed in yesterday class, that will be covered for you. That means project and course related information I have shared it today. Okay, and topics also I have explained there.
Make your
Okay,
browser
Oh, okay, sir. Yeah, yeah.
right. Yes.
Thanks.
So yeah, see, I will give you pre-recorded videos, everybody, not just live recorded videos, and I will give you the notes topic by topic by use with the example files. I don't have
Okay.
any PDF files. Okay, right. So don't expect any material other than the example files that contains notes. That is the material in my words. Okay, everybody.
Okay.
Material means example files and which will contain the notes, and I will get you videos also. And since it is a framework, we need to have some prerequisites also. Why? Because each and every framework has to develop by using any languages only. So in the especially in the Angular, whenever you are working with, we need to utilize the HTML, CSS, combining with the TypeScript. So that's why we should have at least basic knowledge of HTML and CSS. Then after we need to know knowledge about JavaScript or TypeScript, but no need to worry. TypeScript related knowledge, I will give it to you. TypeScript topics I will discuss with you, and the TypeScript videos also I will share it with you. So this pre-recorded videos contains not only Angular videos, it will contains the TypeScript videos also. Clear it, everybody? Hello, hello.
yes, sir.
Yes,
Clear.
yes.
Okay, right. So TypeScript videos also, right? Very good. And then after, okay, right. If you don't know this TypeScript also, that is a fine because I'm going to teach with you. And if you know any other language groups concepts also, that is a good, but that is not mandatory. But if you know, that is good. That's it. And I will give you Bootstrap related knowledge also. Bootstrap related grid system also I will explain you. Bootstrap related grid system also I will explain you. Okay, right. These are the prerequisites and what you will get in the course also. I think course related information is clear for you. Right. Now we are going to discuss about the Angular. What is Angular? So Angular is a MVC structure followed client-side framework. Angular is a MVC structure followed client-side framework developed by Google company. A second. So Angular is a MVC structure followed client-side framework developed by Google company. So Google is a small company or big company? Google is a very big company. What is that, everybody? Google is a very big company. Okay, right. So not only small company, also very big company. It is one of the top 5 companies in the world. So That's why there will be always huge support for this technology. So definitely we can choose this as your career also. So to develop any framework or library, we need to use any language only. So what is this Google company has used TypeScript language? What is this everybody? TypeScript language. By using this TypeScript language only, they have developed this framework. Now respond everybody. Why everybody using nowadays to develop their applications frameworks? Why everybody using frameworks to develop their applications nowadays? Kindly respond everyone.
Yeah.
Why everybody? Yeah.
Sir, it reduces the boilerplate code. We don't need to write the boilerplate code, and
Okay.
also it creates a infrastructure that is required for quick development.
Okay. Right. Any other reasons?
And this,
Okay. Very good. Who responded? Karan, you?
this
Right. Right. Very good. See it everybody. Why everybody using nowadays frameworks to develop their applications? First of all, whenever you want to develop the application, we need to take care of three things. What are they? Security, performance, and SEO friendly URLs. What is it, everybody? Security, performance, and SEO friendly URLs. These are all mandatory. Clear it, everybody? Please respond. Okay, right. Sir, why we need to take care of security? Why we need to take care of security? If you don't take care of security, what happens? For example, you have developed an application. Understand it, everybody. You have developed an application which is money transaction, like PhonePe, GPay, like that. Somebody using that application, he is transferring 20,000 rupees. Okay, he is transferring 20,000 rupees to their home. It is taking only 10 seconds time only to transfer the 20,000 rupees. But in that 10 seconds also, somebody hacked your application. He theft that 20,000 rupees. Okay. Do that user will use next time your application?
no,
Do that you no? Why he lost the 20,000? And does he keep quiet? He lost the money. Does he keep quiet?
no, no,
No. What he will do? He will file a complaint against your company also. Okay. What he will think? Maybe you theft that money. So whatever it may be, he will file complaint about your company also. So why this is happening? Because of the security issue. So if you don't have security to your application, if you don't have security to your application, you will lose all your existing users and you don't get any new users. And not only that, you need to face some legal cases also. You need to face some legal case also. Why all these things are happening? Because of the security issue. Clear it, everybody? So that's why whenever you're developing the application, we must have the security. Clear it, everyone? Please respond.
yes, sir.
Okay, right. Then after performance, why we need to have why we need to have performance? Why our application should have perform very well? Okay, right. For example, you have developed an application. Okay, think like that. There is also money transaction. Yeah. Okay, so somebody using that application. So that person went to a curry point. He purchased a curry which is 30 rupees. He want to transfer that 30 rupees. But that is very secure application. He have developed very securely. But it is taking 3 hours time to transfer the 30 rupees. Does he wait to transfer the 30 rupees 3 hours? Respond everyone. Hello. To
Yeah,
transfer the 30 rupees, it is taking 3 hours time. Is it correct way?
no, no, sir, no,
No.
no one will use because it's taking
Uh,
out of time.
it is taking lot of time. Okay, 3 hours means see sometimes when our internet issue is there, sometimes it will take 5 minutes also to transfer the money. But that okay, still it is very disgusting for us. We cannot wait up to 5 minutes. Understand me right? But 3 hours means you can imagine how much long time it is. So nobody encourages that application. You don't use that application, and not only you, others also they don't use that application. Clear it, everybody. That curry point one also does not encourage that application. Then what happens? Nobody use your application. You will lose all your existing users. So why these are all happening? No performance. So irrespective of the situation, irrespective of the number of users are using your application should work faster and your application should be secure. Clear it, everybody? For example, YouTube is there. So many people are creating the videos. So many people are in the process of uploading the videos. So many people are watching the videos. Out of 1 lakh people, only 1 or 2% will make the videos. All the 1 lakh people will watch that videos. Understanding it, everyone? Please respond. Okay, but still, whatever it may be, uploading or else watching the videos, the YouTube does not hang. Why? Because it will perform very faster, and they will take care of the server related things and application related things also. They will take care. Clear or not? Respond, please.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So that's why they will use that application more frequently. YouTube, not only YouTube, Google also, Facebook also, YouTube also, and Twitter also. Then after Instagram also, every famous application is working so much faster rather than the number of users are using at the same time. Okay, right. So your application should work faster irrespective of the number of users. That is one thing. And what is the other thing we need to take care of? SEO friendly URLs. What is that, everybody? SEO friendly. SEO, search engine optimization. Friendly URLs. Sir, why we need to focus on the SEO friendly URLs? For example, you are developing an application that is very secure and that is very performing also very fine, very faster. But nobody knows about that application because okay, but nobody is not knowing that application. Do you get any income? Respond.
No, sir.
No. Why? Okay,
Because
why? Yeah, why nobody using your application? Because you are not publicizing that application. Okay. For example, you are developing a software application where you should publicize that application. Where you should publicize that application? Online or offline?
online.
Online means what? Internet only. Of course, if you are doing any business offline also, you need to publicize in the online. For example, you have seen Tanishq Jewelers yard offline, a big hoarding you have seen. What will you do? You will search in the Google. Tanishq Jewelers, good or bad, or else where is the Tanishq Jewelers nearby me? Like that, you will search in the Google or not? That's one, everybody.
Hmm. Yes, sir.
So, if you are doing offline business also, you need to promote your business in the online. Okay. In the same way, if you are developing a software application means what? Definitely that it purely depends upon the internet only to work. So we need to publicize our application online. In the online means how we can publicize SMO also we can do. That means we can create an ad in the Photoshop like a pamphlet or anything. We can publicize in the Facebook pages, something like that. Okay, that is SMO, social media optimization. Facebook or YouTube we can publicize. Okay, but that is enough? No. Most of the time, if you know anything, if you know about any new thing, we'll search in the Google. That means what is that Google? Search engine. What is that, everybody? Search
Search
engine.
it.
So what are the application you are developing that should recognize by the Google? Okay, everybody, when it will be recognized, whenever you do SEO, search engine optimization. We need to put appropriate keywords. We need to keep appropriate description. Not only that, we need to generate appropriate keywords. Sorry, we need to generate appropriate URLs only. Okay, we need to generate appropriate URLs only, and we need to generate appropriate titles only. So that URLs and titles, God please gift me means does he gift? No, we need to write code for that. So God please gift me security and performance related code means that does he give? No, that is also we need to write code for that. So security, performance, and SEO friendly URLs. That related code is depends upon each other. That means they are internally related things. Understand it? But sometimes what happens, your application is secure, but it will make your application slower. So again, we need to change that related structure by manipulating the code. Sometimes what happens, it is very faster and secure, but it is not recognized by the search engines because it is not generating SEO friendly URLs. So again, we need to alter the structure according to the SEO friendly URLs. Clear or not? Respond, everybody. These are all internally depends things. Hello.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, right. So if you are choosing any core language like Java or PHP or Node.js or anything, if you choose any core language to develop the application, what we need to do? We need to write all the code by our own, security related things, performance related things, SEO friendly URLs related things, everything we need to write by our own only. So it will take at least 3 to 6 months time. It will take at least 3 to 6 months
Six.
time. Okay, right. So it will make our application development very later, okay, very lately. Then what the thing they will do? They have developed the frameworks. And then what is the thing we will do? We'll just download that frameworks and we can manipulate that basic settings in that framework. So to download the framework, it will take 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, to download the framework, it will take 5 to 10 minutes. Then after to manipulate the code, it will take 10 to 15 minutes. So maximum within half an hour, we can develop real world business application. In the first scenario, it will take 6 months time. And the second scenario, it will take only half an hour. Why? Because that framework gives the structure related to performance, that structure related to security, that structure related to SEO friendly URLs also. Basic structure it will gives, depends upon the structure we need to enhance our application. But same basic structure, if you want to develop by your own, it will take minimum 3 to 6 months time. Clear it, everybody? Respond, please.
Yes, sir.
Others also respond. Ravi, Vishnu.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, right. Then after, what type of framework it is? Client-side framework. Respond, everyone. How many types of technologies we have in the software industry? Two types of technologies. What are they? Client-side
Client side
technology,
and server side.
server side. What is the difference between them?
Uh, Client side means where the users uh, input like web browser is the client side framework.
Okay.
Like,
Client side,
Yes.
nothing but a browser related technology. Server means backend code like C Sharp or uh, Java. Those will comes under server side technology.
Okay, right. Now see here, everybody, server-side technologies and the client-side technologies. First of all, discuss client-side technologies. By using client-side technologies, we cannot store our data permanently. What is that, everybody? By using client-side technologies, we cannot store our data permanently. Okay, we can store our data temporarily. So when we can store our data temporarily, whenever user enters the data, when user will enter the data, whenever there is an interface. So how we will create that interface? By using HTML and CSS. Clear by using HTML.
and CSS.
Yeah, by using HTML, we can create the text box, and by using CSS, we can beautify the text box so that user can enter the data. After entering, can you do anything to store the data? No. By using HTML and CSS, you cannot do anything. Just you can create the interface. After you enter the data, after user enters the data, you cannot do anything. If you want to store the data temporarily, also we need to have to use JavaScript language. What is it, everybody? JavaScript language.
Java.
So yeah. HTML, CSS is for user interface creation purpose, but they are client-side technologies only. And JavaScript also we can store the data temporarily, but that is also client-side technology only. Native JavaScript is client-side technology only. So it can store the data in the user's browser. So whoever uses the computer and whoever uses the browser, only he can see the data. Not everybody in the world. Clear it, everybody? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Right. Then after, what about the server side technology? We can store our data permanently. Sir, how we can store our data permanently? So if you want to store your data permanently, we can store the data in a database. We can store the data in a database. So the technology, whatever you are using, that should have the capacity to connect with the database and to manipulate the database. Database for only for data storage purpose only. We cannot develop entire application. The entire application related data we need to store in the database only. So to develop the application, we'll use Java, C, C++, whatever it may be. Okay, so whatever the technology you are using, that should have the capacity to connect with the database to manipulate the database. Those technologies can be called as server-side technologies. What are the server-side technologies? Example: Java, PHP, Node.js, .NET, C, C++, Python. These are all server-side technologies. Why? Because at least we are able to connect with at least one database. Clear it, everybody? For example, by using PHP, we are able to connect with the MySQL. Clear or not? Respond, everyone. Hello?
Yes, sir. Clear till now.
Right. By using Node.js, we are able to connect with the MongoDB. By using Java, at least we are able to connect with the Oracle. So we are able to connect with the database, at least one database we are able to connect. Okay, right. This is about this related things. Okay, right. Sir, what are the advantages of storing our data in the database? Of course, ours is client-side technology, but little bit extra knowledge I want to give it to you. Respond, everybody. What are the advantages of storing our data in the database?
Sir, it is stored permanent. We can use the data whenever we want. And
Okay. Okay, right. So first thing is, first advantage is data is permanent. Okay, that is very clear. Okay, everybody, what is that? Data is permanent until and unless if you write the database related query to delete the data, okay, the data is available. Okay, that is one thing. And the second thing is what? We can organize our data so that we can access our data very faster. Sir, what is this organizing? For example, you have so many things in your home. You have body wash, you have face wash, or else at least soap, you have shampoo, and you have salt, you have pepper, you have spices, you have rice, you have gas stove, you have cylinder, okay, you have wheat powder, okay, so many things you have. And you have double cot bed, you have double cot also, okay, and you have pillows, you have blankets, okay, you have bed sheets, you have clothes, jeans and everything, and you have sofas, you have TV, you have chairs also. But where you will keep all the things, you will keep in a single room? Respond, or else we will move into the different rooms.
in different rooms, sir.
In the different, okay, don't tell me, sir, I am staying in a bachelor hostel, I will keeping in my same room like that. Okay, general, I'm talking about home, not a hostel. Okay, so generally what is the thing we'll do? We'll keep in a different rooms. So washroom related things, okay, body washes, face washes, soaps, okay, shampoos will keep in the washroom. Okay, salt, okay, then after pepper, and then after spices, rice, gas stove, everything will keep in our kitchen.
Kitchen.
Okay, double cot and a bed and pillows, blankets, bed sheets, our clothes, jeans and everything we'll keep in our bedroom. Sofas, TV, chairs will keep in our hall. Right, everybody? So what is this? Organizing our home. So that what happens, whenever you want to get a particular thing, we'll go to that particular thing, okay, place only. For example, if we want to eat, we'll go to the hall, and there is a dining table also there maximum. So there we will eat. Then after we'll keep again back all the things in our kitchen. Then after we'll go to our bedroom and we will sleep there. Then after whenever we wake up, we'll go to the washroom and we'll wash our face, or else we'll take a bath also by going to the washroom. Their face washes, body wash are available. Okay, right. So then what is the thing you are doing? You are getting all the things very faster. Okay, why? Because you are keeping each and everything specifically in a particular rooms, so that you are getting that things very faster. Rather than that, if you keep everything in the same room, what happens? If you want to find salt also, we need to refer all the things. If you want to find clothes also, we need to refer all the things. So it will make to find the things very slow, very lately. Clear or not? Respond, everybody.
Yes, sir, clear.
Right. In the same way, if you want to store your data in the database, we need to divide our application. We need to divide the database into tables. Database nothing but collection of tables only. But if you are keeping all the data in a single table, what happens? All the time we will need to get all the data. Okay, everybody. Right. For example, you are moving from 8th class to 9th class. Okay. So which class related books you need to take to the school? 9th class books, or else all the books related to first to 8th class also you need to take the books.
9th class, sir, only.
Only 9th class books. Okay, no need to take first class to 8th class books also. In the same way, whenever you want to getting data, why we need to get all the data at all the time? Only whatever the data is required in that particular page, that particular data will need to retrieve or not. Respond, everybody. Hello. Respond, everyone. Only that particular data will need to retrieve or not. Hello. Karan, I'm not getting your voice.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Check your mic once, Karan. So only that particular data only we need to get. So how we will get that data? By dividing into different tables only. If we keep all the data in the other tables, what happens? Irrespective of the use, we need to get all the data only all the time. So then after we need to filter the data. It will take a lot of time. It will make very slow our application. So that's why what is the thing we will do? We will divide into multiple tables. Users data in the users table, categories data in the categories table, orders data in the orders table, subcategories data in the subcategories table, products data in the products table, like that. So whenever we require particular type of data, we will write a database query to retrieve data from that particular table only. Then what happens? We'll get all the data. Okay, everybody. So from that particular table only. So instead of getting 10 tables data unnecessarily, we need to get only one table data which is necessary. So automatically it will make our application faster. Clear it, everyone? Please respond. Karan, Ravi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So that is one, that is the second advantage. And what is the third advantage? It will add a dynamic behavior for our data. What is the meaning of dynamic behavior? If we change in one place, if it is affecting other places, that is called dynamic behavior. If we change in one place, if it is affecting other places, that is called dynamic behavior. For example, there is 100 pages. In all 100 pages, you have the same data. Then okay, that is a server side application only. What is the thing we'll do? We'll create a table. In the table, we'll keep the data. And in the front end, what we'll do? We'll open all our 100 pages, and each and every page we will write the database query. Select a star from the table and print the description. And so okay, all the 100 pages, I need to write the same code. So that what happens in the first day, it will take at least 1.5 hour time, because 100 pages, right? So each and every page it will take at least 1 minute time. So 100 minutes, maximum 1 hour to 2 hours it will take. Okay, it is taking little bit time. But next day suddenly client told, no, I want to add one more paragraph also. No, I want to add one more paragraph also. Then what is the thing you will do? No need to open all 100 pages. Just you will open the database related table. There only will add that paragraph wherever he told. Then what happens? Automatically it will affect in all 100 pages also. So we are manipulating in one particular place. We are manipulating only one particular place, but it is affecting all 100 pages also. Clear it, everybody? Respond.
Yes, sir.
Others also respond. Okay, right. So that is one more advantage. It will add dynamic behavior for our application. Then what is the other advantages? No need to do the same work multiple times. For example, you want to purchase clothes in the Myntra. Directly, can you purchase? Respond, everybody.
No,
Direct,
sir.
no, we need to log in. Can you log in directly? No, we need to register.
Sign up.
No, register. Yeah, sign up. Okay. So whenever you are signing up, what happens? They will store all your data in their database only. So okay, today you have registered, you have purchased. After 2 days, you got a product. That is very nice. You want to purchase another product from the same brand. So at the time also you need to register.
No, sir.
No, at the time also you need to register. No need to register one more time. So you are registering only one time, and lifetime you can access that application. So you are doing only, okay, you are doing that registration work only one time. Clear it, everybody? Respond please. Okay, right. And what is the other one more advantage? We can get and alternate data at whatever it we can get and we can manipulate the data at any time. And not only that, everybody can see the same data. For example, okay, you are reading an article about Michael Jackson. You are reading from India. In the Wikipedia, you are reading an article. Somebody also reading an article about Michael Jackson, but he is reading from USA. He is also reading from Wikipedia only. Everybody can see the same data or different data?
Same data.
Same data. Why? Because they are storing their data in their database. From there only they are retrieving the data. And somebody knows about Michael Jackson very well. He has updated the data. So we can see the updated data or not? Definitely we can see the updated data also. That's what I'm telling. Everybody can see the same data. And if anybody updates the data also, and everybody can update the data. So updation of data also very easy, and that is very secure also. Clear it, everybody? These are the advantages of database. But what is our technology? Client side technology or server side technology?
Client side. And
Since it is a client side technology, can we connect with the database?
no, sir.
Without connecting to the database, can we retrieve the data? Can we retrieve the data without connecting to the database? No. So without retrieving, can we display the data?
No, sir.
No. Okay, without displaying data, does users will use our application? No. For example, you are coming to the class. You are also sitting silently. I am also sitting silently. Do you pay the fee?
No, sir.
No, because this is not a meditation class. This is a software course. Right, everybody? So definitely I need to teach you. What is that? Teaching is nothing but transferring data. So if there is no data, no value for the man, that means no value for the human, no value for the computer also. Clear or not? Sorry, application also. No value for the application also. Understanding it, everybody? So ours is client-side technology. Since it is a client-side technology, we are not able to deal with the database. Without dealing with the database, we are not able to retrieve and we are not able to display the data. Then what is the use of the application? Sorry, what is the use of this framework? That is the doubt immediately you will get. Of course, we are not able to deal with the database directly, but indirectly we are able to deal with that. How? By using REST APIs. What is it, everybody? By using REST APIs. So how we will create the REST APIs and how we will work with the REST APIs, everything Monday class we'll discuss with. Understand it, everyone? Hello?
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. So hope everybody understand today's class. Right, Ravi and Vishnu? Karan, respond.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Okay,
yes,
right.
sir. Yeah.
Right. So please watch that we chart related things. Okay, everybody. So that we will link. Please watch that so that whatever I discussed in yesterday class, what is the project we are going to discuss, everything will be covered. Okay. Right. Thank you very much, everybody. So
Thanks, sir.
tomorrow, yeah, Monday we'll meet. We will continue. Okay. Bye, everyone. Thank you.
Okay,
Bye.
sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you very much, everybody. Right.